Hello students, in today's video we're going to discuss the solutions for homework number 3. So first question, they have given there's a triangular park. Okay, so we have got a triangular park ABC. Okay, so A, B and C. They have given the sides are 120, 80 and 50, which means you can take any side as 120, the other one as 80 and the other one as 50. So these will be our A, B and C in any order. Okay, a gardener has to put a fence all around it and also plant the grass. Here you have to understand, fence will be around it. Okay, fence will always be around it. It's like the compound wall in our homes, so it will be perimeter. Fence means it will just be the perimeter, that is the addition of the three sides. Okay, but plant grass inside it. So plant grass inside means you have to plant grass inside this, so that will be the area. So when they have given fence, it means a perimeter, and they have given grass, it means the area. So that clarity you have to have. So how much area does she need to plant? You have to just find the area of the triangle using Heron's formula. But what they've also asked is, find the cost of fencing the boundary with barbed wire. Barbed wire is nothing but that aluminium wires. Okay, so at the rate of rupees 20 per meter, but they have given a condition leaving a space of 3 meter wide for a gate on one side. So in one of the sides they are leaving a space of 3 meters for a gate. You are going to have a gate, because if you are going to fence it totally, then how will you get inside the field? Isn't it? So we need a gate to enter. So except the gate, all other parts are being fenced. All over here they are fencing it with barbed wire. So all over here except the gate. The gate is of 3 meters. I hope you can understand. This gate is not going to affect the area. So area will be like Heron's formula, you apply and then you can find out. Having A as 120, B as 80 and C as 50. But when it comes to the fencing, we have to subtract this 3 from the total perimeter, because this 3 meter we are not including the barbed wire. We are just putting a gate in the place. So what you have to understand is, you have to add 120, 80 and 50, and then you have to subtract 3, because we are excluding the portion of the gate. Then whatever answer you get, that is the length of the fence, and then it will be in meter, because it is just a length, and then you have to multiply the answer with 20, because they have given it is rupees 20 per meter. I hope you can understand. So that is the first question. Second question, they have given a quadrilateral. So you know what is a quadrilateral, right? So they have given a quadrilateral ABCD. So let us assume this to be AB, C and D. Okay, and they have given AB is 3. So this is 3 centimeter, BC is 4 centimeter, CD is 4 centimeter and DA is 5 centimeter. They have also given AC is 5, which means the diagonal AC has been given as 5 centimeter. It's a very easy problem. First what you have to do, you have to find the area of triangle ABC using Heron's formula, having 3, 4 and 5 as ABC. So you'll be getting this triangle. Then you have to find the area of triangle ADC, having 5, 5 and 4 as ABC. Okay, you'll be getting this triangle. Then you have to add both the values to get the area of the full field. That is what they have asked. Area of the full quadrilateral. I hope you can understand till the second question. Okay, now third question, they have given a floral design. You can see very well the floral design contains 16 triangles, isn't it? The floral design contains 16 triangles, 16 small, there are totally 8 designs, and in each design we have 2 triangles. So there are 16 triangles. They have given 16 tiles, okay, which are triangular. The side of each triangle is 9, 28 and 35. So for example, this is 9, this is 28 and this is 35. So you have to take this as A, B and C. Find the area of one triangle, then multiply it by 16, because there are totally 16 triangles. You will be getting the answer in centimeter square. That answer should be multiplied by 50 paise. Okay, because they have given the cost of polishing the rate of 50 paise per centimeter square. So you can take 50 paise or you can take half rupee, because 50 paise is nothing but half rupee, right? So the answer can be multiplied with half rupee and you'll be getting the answer in so much of rupees. Okay, now comes the fourth question. Fourth question, they have given the perimeter of a triangle is 50. So they have given the addition of the 3 values as 50. So the perimeter has been given as 50. So when you add the 3 sides, you'll be getting 50. But they have not mentioned the individual sides. So that is the issue. Individual sides have not been mentioned. Okay, so you just know that the perimeter of the triangle is 50, isn't it? You just know that perimeter of the triangle is 50 centimeter. So now you have got a triangle. Okay, you have got a triangle. The perimeter is 50. That is A plus B plus C is 50. This is what you know. But what they have given is one side of a triangle is 4 centimeter longer than the smaller side. Let us assume this smaller side as X. Okay, this as X. They have given one side is 4 centimeter longer than the smaller side. So one side will be 4 centimeter longer. Longer means plus 4, isn't it? Now, the third side, which we have not taken into consideration, is 6 centimeter less than twice the smaller side. So it is 6 centimeter less than twice the smaller side. Can you understand? Smaller side you have to multiply by 2, twice the smaller side, and from that you have to less the value of 6. Okay, so this is how you get the three sides. Now you can add x plus 4 plus 2x minus 6 will be 50, the sum of the three sides.